Hi guys, it's nice to see you again. I hope you're all doing well. I am going to jump right into this. So I was tagged by the lovely Linda from Josephine's daughter. Hi Linda. I'm going to put her channel below. Guys, please go check out her channel. She's a lovely woman and she's a fellow Ohioan, so I want to support my Ohio girls. So she tagged me on What's in My Bag Summer Edition. I've never done this before, so I wanted to play along, of course. And I thought it was interesting for me to do because if you watch my last video, I had mentioned that I don't always carry a bag, and especially in the summer. So I thought that I would show you when I do carry a bag, what I carry in it, and then I'm also going to show you when I don't carry a bag how I do that. So it's going to be a real quick video because there's really nothing to it, because this is the bag I pretty much carry. I rotate depending on, like we all women do, what outfit I'm wearing and you know, where I'm going to go and so on and so forth. So this is the one that I gravitate most toward in the summer. And as you can see, there's nothing to it. It is a crossbody bag, which I love. Especially in the summer, and what I put in here is only what I need, and that's why I like this bag so much. I have some big bags, but I don't carry them as much, especially in the summer, and I know the bigger the bag, the more stuff, I'm sure you ladies can relate, you're going to throw in, and that's exactly what I wind up doing. So that's why I like the smaller bag. And it has just two pockets, two zipper pockets, and in the front what I usually carry is whatever lipstick and lip liner combo I'm wearing for that day. So I would carry, like today I'm wearing a lip gloss and this lip liner, so I would throw this in the bag. I don't obviously use a makeup bag because, I mean, heck, this is some people's makeup bag as it is, but there's no room for one, so I just throw it in the front pocket here. And I carry that lipstick and lip liner and lip gloss, and then I carry my Clarins brush on instant light perfector. Now this helps. I love this for if I can't touch up my makeup but I'm feeling tired or looking tired, especially my under eyes, if the you know, concealer starts to wear down during the day. I love this for a touch up under my eyes, so I always have this with me. And then I used to carry compact, but I found like a powder compact, but I don't use a lot of powder anymore, and I found that I usually wind up breaking it when I keep it in my purse. So I don't carry a compact powder, but I do need a mirror, so I'll carry some kind of mirror. This happens to be a mirror with one side is a regular mirror and the other side is a magnifying mirror, which is very nice. It would be great if it was lit. I know I could buy a lighted makeup mirror. If you guys have one that's small and fits in the purse, a lighted makeup mirror that you love, please let me know. I see so many on Amazon, and I still haven't decided which one I would like, but it has to be small to fit in something like this. So that is in the front compartment. Now I may throw in a couple of mints or gum or maybe a tissue, but that's pretty much it. And then the back part, it does have slots because I don't use a wallet, because you can't fit one in here really anyhow, even if I wanted to use one. But here's slots you could use for the credit cards or driver's license, but I don't use that. I use this, which is for my phone. It's a phone case, and I throw my phone in this side, and then my credit cards and driver's license. And if you carry money, which I really don't anymore, but if you do, you can put it in there, just close it up and put it in the purse, zip it up, and away I go. That's really all I carry, guys. I really, again, the older I'm getting, less is more. Minimal hair, minimal makeup, I want to say minimal clothes, but that doesn't sound good. But I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. But I just like simple, easy, classic things that fit in with my lifestyle and, you know, who I am as a person. So this particular bag is wonderful for me, especially in the summer. Now, if I don't carry a bag and I'm just running, you know, from the store and coming home and going back and so on and so forth, I take my phone and my credit cards, and I put it in either the case I just showed you and or this other case where the phone goes right here, and then there's a side here to put in your credit cards or driver's license. and thankfully nothing falls out, which is a great thing. So I throw either one of these in my pocket and whatever lipstick I'm wearing for the day, and then I'm gone, and I'm done. And that's it, guys. That's all I carry. This is what, going on 6 minutes. I knew it was going to be a short video, but I wanted to play along too, because again, it was interesting to me to think about, well, no, I really don't carry a lot, and I don't always carry a purse, so I wanted to show you what I do. So I thank you again, Linda, for including me in this. I'm going to go and check out the other ladies you tagged. I think I saw a couple of them already, but I'm going to go and check out the others. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until the next time I see you, bye, guys.